This video is going to show you how to make Christmas fudge. First, you need 24 ounces of white chocolate chips, and you need a can of sweetened condensed milk. You need to have your burner on medium heat. The condensed milk is 14 ounces. And we're going to melt this on medium heat on the stove. You also need red and green food coloring. Doesn't take very long to melt. You also need a small casserole dish to put it in, or a cookie sheet. You want to use a non-stick pan also, makes it easier. I like doing it on the stove because you can keep stirring it, regulate the heat better than putting it in the microwave. Some people do fudge in the microwave, but I think you can regulate the heat better on the stove. And you can stir it the whole time too, so it's a lot smoother. It has been in the pan about 3 minutes. You can see how much it has melted, but it still has the lumps in it of the chips, so you want to keep stirring it till it's smooth, but you don't want to scorch it though, so you got to really watch and make sure it's not too hot. Once it's nice and smooth, no lumps, then we'll put it in our pan. Just have a glass casserole dish. Turn our heat off. Just spread it out in the pan. Once you get all your chocolate spread out, then you're going to take some green food coloring and just dot it here and there. Then you're going to take some red food coloring and do the same thing. Just around. And you're going to take a fork and just go through the chocolate and mix it around. Just going to mix the food coloring right into the fudge. Just flatten it out again. Then we're going to put it in the refrigerator to cool. Once it's cool, then we can cut it. And that is easy Christmas fudge. Here is our Christmas fudge, red and green swirled. I hope you like my easy recipe for Christmas fudge. Like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.